So I'm in another new spot. Well, a secondary area to my to the new spot that I've been snooping out lately. So looking for some tracks here. It's pouring rain out all day, so I thought I'd get in here. It hasn't rained for I don't know, almost 2 months, 6 weeks here. So I'll be able to tell what's new and what's old tracks. So it's later in the day, I don't know, 5 in the afternoon. Sundown is about 7, so maybe I'll even see something here for the end of the day feed. So we got some mud. That's a fairly big one there, considering it's blacktail. It could be a buck, could be even bigger. But it's not, it might have been this morning. These are older, but there are signs anyways. Definitely been all trampled through here by the bears. The skunk cabbage. And I see a water ahead. Here's the creek. That's where the bears have been feeding. That's fairly fresh. Those almost look like claw marks, but there's no footprint to it. Bunch of old deer tracks here. Probably going into the bush there. I want to get back into the water. Check this spot for tracks. Blackberries. Ouch. Brutal. Oh, there's a bunch of tracks on here, but they're all older. It's a good area. Okay, it looks like sort of a mushed out track, but you can sort of see where the toes were. And then here you can definitely see the toes. Stepped on that leaf. So the foot's back here. So I've got about 10-inch round hand. So that's a front paw, I believe. Hard to see. That'll be another bear trunk all smoothed with some toes. He's walked along the edge of the water here. Deer tracks. Definitely a bear there. Sort of fresh too. Would have been all rounded edges from all this pouring rain. That was quite sharp edges of the mud. Possibly this morning or through the day sometime. Or he's still here. That's a size 13 foot. That's a big pile of poo. That's a real big pile of poo. I don't know if that's berries or corn. That's definitely a bear shit. Huge one. It's all washed away. Wow. Maybe this guy's bigger than I thought. Not sure if that's a good thing or not. In here on my own. Oh, what do you think? Is this a rub? A few broken branches off of it that are rubbed. This one's sort of done on the branch. It is peeled. We got shavings on the ground here. Those are still connected at the base. I mean, it's all, here's some shavings all on the ground. I don't know, this looks more rubbed than any of the others I've seen, and it looks fresh. It is right on a trail. The only thing is it goes all the way around, but does that matter? I don't know. That's about 3 foot off the ground. Yes, to my mid-thigh. So, what do you think?